Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the GMAT Focus. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, which includes data insights, quantitative reasoning, and verbal reasoning. Next, take a full-length diagnostic test to pinpoint your strengths and weaknesses across these sections. This initial assessment is crucial for tailoring your study plan effectively. Finally, develop a consistent study schedule, aiming for at least 10 to 15 hours weekly to ensure steady progress and retention. To truly excel, dedicate significant time to mastering the foundational concepts in both quantitative and verbal reasoning. Use official GMAT Focus study guides and practice questions, as these best reflect the actual exam content and difficulty. Don't just solve problems, understand the underlying principles. Additionally, practice managing your time effectively for each question, aiming for an average of 2 minutes per question to stay on pace. Consistent practice is key. Take full-length practice tests regularly, simulating actual exam conditions to build stamina and familiarity. After each test, meticulously review every question, understanding why you got answers right or wrong. Create an error log to track your mistakes and identify patterns. This focused review process helps reinforce learning and prevents you from repeating the same errors, leading to significant score improvements. On test day, ensure you get a good night's sleep and eat a nutritious meal beforehand to maintain energy and focus. Arrive early at the test center, feeling calm and prepared. During the exam, trust your preparation, stick to your pacing strategies, and don't dwell too long on any single question. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals. Stay confident, and you'll perform your best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.